So I wanted to come on here and put my little 2 cents in on the Travis Hunter situation. I see it's a hot topic. It's been a hot topic for weeks now. But I just wanted to say, he's young. They're young, and he's going to have to learn on his own. If she is allegedly the type of person that the internet is trying to portray her, he's going to have to learn on his own, right? And it's kind of like, when you were younger and your mom tell you, oh, don't hang out with that person because that person's not good for you. Oh, your mom tell you, you can't do this, you can't do that, right? And then what we want to do? We want to do it anyway, right? So it's kind of one of those situations where somebody can keep saying over and over, and we can like beat in his head till he turns blue. But he has to learn on his own, who's for him and who's not for him. And that's just something that's part of life. As he gets older, he will understand that. And that goes for just anybody. The only difference with him is he's going to be worth $100 million though when he probably figure it out. If allegedly she is the type of person that they saying she is. But other than that, he's just, they're young, he's in love, and I just wish the best for him. But again, it's just one of those things where it's life, and you just have to learn on your own. And I'm sure she's not trying to go nowhere now, and she's not going to mess that up. And if she does mess that up, then she's a fool. So, but it'll be interesting how it plays out. But again, we got to let that man live his life. And it is what it is.